Well, wouldn't you know it? I started putting some feelers up that I was going to be restarting my company to some of the fire departments in my area. And sure enough, they couldn't wait for the new year. Need me right now. So I'm going to head over to the fire department. I'm going to be working on a ladder truck. And yeah, let's go check it out to see what it is. Okay.
So it's that box or what?
I think it's a cylinder.
The cylinder?
Yeah.
Oh.
Come on, focus. Well, let's see. No. Oh, no, it's not. It's just right here. See, I wipe it away, and it's going down.
Is that an Allen wrench?
Yeah, Allen socket.
What class is that? That's leaked before. And we just tightened it.
Yep, so the O-ring was pretty much flattened out and worn out on this one. Bingo, we found a winner.
Yeah, she's holding now.
Backing ops.